Mysore. Myself and my fellow colleague, we're going to be demonstrating on the topic hazard and the procedures that should be done in the event of a fire. Question, hazard. Does anybody know what's an hazard or the definition of an hazard, just in case you know? A hazard can be a potential source that can, it could be physically, it could be chemically, it could be biologically, that can cause death and cause illnesses to someone. We've identified a few hazards in the class. Force hazard is being on the right on the ground. If you look here, you're going to see a switch. That can be a hazard. We have the exit door. And so, far back, we have an exposed switch or exposed wire, which is an hazard that can cause fire.
We also have an empty fire extinguisher, and ways in which we can fix these hazards is by blocking up the switch because it's too low. We can also remove the obstacles or objects that are in the way of the door. We can replace the empty fire extinguisher with a full one and cover up the exposed wires at the back. And in this presentation or skit that we will be doing, we will be identifying both the don'ts and do's in the case of a fire emergency. We start with the don'ts. Fire. What we have just identified is the don'ts that we shouldn't do during a fire, which the first one was having time to collect important items. In a case of a fire, we shouldn't take the time to collect important items mainly because they can be replaced but we can't be replaced. Secondly, when exiting, we did not use one thing, the fire extinguisher, and it is present, we didn't use it. A third thing that we didn't do well was alerting everyone about the fire. When alerting person about fire, if there is not a fire alarm, we try to use a high-pitched voice whereby it alert everybody nearby. The third thing, the way in which we exited. We did not exit in an orderly manner, which can cause chaos and also result in injury to other persons. In this next part, we can actually show you guys the do's, the way we should operate in a case of a fire. Fire! There's a fire!
Now, those who need to exit the premises will orderly walk to the nearest exit. Now, the fire extinguisher, when using it, we use the PASS method, which is pull, air, squeeze, and sweep. Pull meaning you pull this pin, which releases the pressure. You squeeze the handle, which allows what is inside of the extinguisher to come out. The air, which is aim, means you aim towards the base of the fire, and you sweep. You accurately aim towards the base of the fire, and you sweep until the fire is extinguished.
in the end, the statement was just done shows things that we should do in the event of a fire, which is leave portable item behind, use a fire extinguisher if available, alert person with a high-pitched voice, and also leave in an orderly manner. This helps to save lives, and also it dilates panic.
In addition to that, let's say we're here and there's an outbreak of fire. First thing we should panic. Like for example, people can start, we're humans and these things will happen. So in a case like that, yes, we can panic, but we should try to remain calm and be vigilant. For example, if there's a fire switch, we say for example, you raise it or you alarm it and a bell would ring and everybody would know that yes, we get fire, we should evacuate the building as soon as we can. Secondly, if there is time and we have before, we can make a call to the fire service stating that there is a fire at Mount Delilah Secondary School, classroom number 5. And that's brought us to the end of our demonstration of this presentation.